Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anil Kolpe, Assistant Professor in Economics, Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Baudan, Pune. Today, we are going to discuss about the basic economic problem. Introduction. The existence of scarcity creates the basic economic problem faced by every society, rich or poor. How to make the best use of limited productive resources to satisfy human needs and wants. There is a central economic problem that is present across all countries without any exceptions. Then it is the problem of scarcity. This problem arises because the resources of all types are limited and have alternative uses. If the resources were unlimited, or if a resources only had one single use, then the economic problem would probably not arise. However, be it natural productive resources or man-made consumer goods or time, scarcity of resources is the central problem. The central problem gives rise to four basic problems of an economy. In this article, we will look at these basic problems in details. Basic problems of an economy. First, what to produce. What does a society do when the resources are limited? It decides which goods, service it want to produce. Further, it also determines the quantity required. For example, should we produce more guns or more butters? Do we opt for capital goods like machines, equipments, etc., or consumer goods like cell phones, etc.? While it sounds elementary, society must decide the type and quantity of every single goods service to be produced. Then second one, how to produce. The production of a good is possible by various methods. For example, you can produce cotton cloth using hand looms, power looms, or automatic looms. While hand looms require more labor, atomic, atom, automatic looms needs higher power and capital investment. Then third one, whom to produce. Think about it. Can a society satisfy each and every human wants? Certainly not. Therefore, it has to decide one who gets what share of the total output of goods and services produced. In other words, society decides on the distribution of the goods and services among the members of society. And last, fourth one, what provision should be made for economic growth? Can a society use all its resources for current consumptions? Yes, it can. However, it is not likely to do so. The reason is simple. If a society uses all its resources for current consumption, then its production capacity would never increase. The next, economic goals and societal values. Societies or communities answer the economic questions in different ways. Societies look at economic goals and make decisions based on what is most valued. Some economic goals that are considered are: first, economic efficiency. Making the most of resources without waste is an economic goal. Then second one, economic freedom. Being able to make choices about which goods and services to produce and distribute without government interference or intervention is an economic goal. This freedom allows entrepreneurs to take risks and make choices to start various business. Then third one, economic securities. Knowing that goods and services will be available when needed. Having a safety net that protects individuals in a time of economic disaster. Fourth one, economic equity. A fair distribution of wealth. And fifth is that economic growth and innovation. Using new ideas and ways of creating goods and services leads to growth and a higher standard of living or way of life for all.